Did you know that after cold and cough, constipation is one of the most common problems in India? A study done in India by a leading healthcare company in 2018 found that close to 25% of Indian adults have constipation. This is a big issue because it can lead to serious health problems like stomach ulcers, cancer, and autoimmune diseases. Many people don't even know they should go to the bathroom at least once every 24 hours. If you find yourself spending hours on the toilet seat, you could be constipated, even though you have a daily bowel movement. If you struggle with constipation, make sure to watch the full video to learn how to get better. Now, let us try to understand the common causes for constipation. The first cause is sedentary lifestyle. A sedentary lifestyle that involves long periods of sitting and minimal physical activity can cause constipation. When you don't exercise enough, your abdominal muscles can become sluggish, resulting in delayed digestion and hard stool. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy digestive system by encouraging the natural movement of the intestines. Studies have shown that regular practice of yoga such as asana, kriya, pranayama, and meditation can help heal constipation. Therefore, staying active is essential for preventing and alleviating constipation. The second reason is unhealthy diet. Low fiber foods like fast food, processed snacks, and dairy products can lead to constipation. Eating too much of this can overload your digestion and make stools harder to pass. Additionally, these low fiber diets slow down digestion, worsening constipation. To alleviate constipation, focus on foods high in fiber like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods add bulk to stool and promote regular bowel movements. Drinking plenty of water is crucial as well, as it helps soften stools and aids in digestion. Avoid overeating and maintaining a balanced diet are key to preventing and relieving constipation effectively. Third cause is modern sitting position of toilet. The modern sitting position of toilet isn't ideal for bowel movements as it hinders the full relaxation of lower colon and pelvic muscles, potentially leading to constipation. The optimal position for effective bowel evacuation is the natural squatting pose. If squatting isn't an option for your toilet setup, you can elevate your legs and lean forward while keeping your back straight. This posture mimics the squatting position and can help with effective bowel evacuation. Hello everyone, this is Rohit, your yoga instructor. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. And please do watch the complete video as it is going to be very informative. The first practice is Surya Namaskar. Daily practice of Surya Namaskar stimulates digestion, enhances circulation, strengthens muscles, reduces stress, and promotes overall well-being, thereby helping to relieve constipation over time.
Now let us learn 12 amazing postures of Surya Namaskar.
Stand in front edge of the mat. Join your hands Namaskar Asana. Arms overhead, bend back. Hasta Uttannasana. Bend forward, keeping your spine straight. If you're flexible, forehead should touch the knees. Pada Hastasana. Right leg back, Ashvasanchalasana. Left leg back and Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your knee down, chest down and chin down. Ashtanga Namaskara. Raise your trunk, Bhujangasana. Tuck the toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take your right leg forward, Ashvasanchalasana. Your left leg forward, Pada Hastasana. Stand straight, arms overhead, bend back, Hasta Uttannasana, Samastitihi. We'll take the left leg back, Pranamasana, Hasta Uttannasana, bend back, Pada Hastasana, bend forward. Now take your left leg back, Ashvasanchalasana. Right leg back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Put your knee down, chest down and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Raise your trunk, Bhujangasana. Tuck the toes, raise the hip, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, Ashvasanchalasana. Right leg forward, Pada Hastasana. Arms up, bend back, Hasta Uttannasana. And Samastitihi. Now, we have learned how to do Surya Namaskar. I did 2 rounds to make the video short. And to derive maximum benefits, you can increase this up to 12 rounds. Now, I am showing you 4 standing yoga poses. Padangustasana, Trikonasana, Parivritta Trikonasana, and Parivritta Parsvakonasana that help with constipation relief. I will demonstrate each pose once. Hold each pose for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as feels comfortable. For best results, try these poses twice. Let's get started.
To do Padangustasana, first stand in Tadasana. Now spread your legs hip width distance. Exhale. Now slowly bend forward, keeping your spine straight. Grab your big toe with middle finger, forefinger and thumb. Now pull your toes and try taking forehead close to knees. You can hold this for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as comfortable. Breathe comfortably and breathe deeper. Now slowly come up. Release your toes. Stand in Samastitihi. Relax. Stand in Tadasana. Now spread your legs 3 feet wider. Your arms in line with the shoulders parallel to the floor. Twist your right foot 90 degrees right side, left foot slightly inwards. Now bend your right. Hold your right big toe, or you can also hold your right ankle. Now gaze your left thumb. Stay in this pose for 20 seconds or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Now bring your arms parallel to the floor. Correct both your feet. Turn your left foot left side 90 degrees, right foot slightly inward. You can hold your left big toe or the left ankle. Gaze your right thumb. Hold 20 to 30 seconds. Now your arms are parallel to the floor. Correct both your feet. Come back Samastitihi. From Tadasana, spread your legs 3 feet wider. Bring your arms in line with the shoulder, parallel to the floor. Turn your right foot right side 90 degrees. Left foot inward 60 degrees. Now turn your whole body towards right side. Now roll your arms and place your left palm next to the inner sole or the outer sole. Now both arms are in line with the shoulder. Gaze your right thumb and stay there. Hold the pose for 20 or 30 seconds. This is Parivritta Trikonasana. Now bring your arms parallel to the floor. Correct both your feet. Turn your left foot left side. Right foot inward 60 degrees. Turn your whole body towards left. Place your right palm next to the inner sole or the outer sole. Gaze your left thumb. Stay there for 20 or 30 seconds. Now bring your arms parallel to the floor. Correct both your feet. Come back Samastitihi. For Parivritta Parsvakonasana, stand in Tadasana and spread your legs 3.5 feet wider. Turn your right foot right side 90 degrees and left foot 60 degrees inwards. Bend your right leg. Now, place your left upper arm on the right thigh. Join your palms, do Namaste. Now twist your spine and look up. Stay there. You can hold this posture for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Your breathing is slow and comfortable. Once done, we do same thing on other side. Turn your left foot left side 90 degrees, right foot 60 degrees inwards. Bend your left leg. Place your right upper arm on the left thigh. Turn your spine. Join your palms. Your forearms are perpendicular. Look up. Breathe. Hold this for equal length of time. Yeah, now slowly release the posture. Come back to Samastitihi. Relax.
The seated postures are Vajrasana, Mandukasana, Ushtrasana, Paschimottanasana.
To do Vajrasana, first kneel down, point your toes back, slowly sit on your ankles. Now make sure the spine is straight and the shoulders are rolled back. Now join your index finger with the thumb. This is Chin Mudra. Back of your wrist is placed on the thighs. Stay in this posture for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. This is the only yoga posture which can be done immediately after meals. Also, practicing this after meals is good for digestion. For Mandukasana, your initial position is Vajrasana. Now make a face by bending your thumb and covering it with other four fingers. Now join your knuckles and place your hands on the navel region. Now inhale deeper, exhale and bend forward. Hold this posture for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Once done, you can come back to Vajrasana. To do Ustrasana, first kneel down. Keep the toes pointed back. Contract your thighs and glute muscles. Place your hands on the waist and push the pelvic forward. Now slowly hold your ankles one by one. Now slowly look back. Hold this posture for 20 or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Now release the posture and relax in Vajrasana. To do Paschimottanasana, extend your legs forward. Keep your spine straight and shoulders rolled back. This is seated Dandasana. Now bend forward, keeping your spine straight. Hold the big toe with your middle finger, forefinger and thumb. Now exhale, pull your toes and try taking your forehead close to the knees. Hold this posture for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Now slowly release the posture. Relax in seated Dandasana.
The prone postures are Shalabhasana, Bhujangasana and Dhanurasana.
To do Shalabhasana, lie down flat on your abdomen. Take your hands back alongside your body. Point your toes back. Contract your thighs and glutes. Now slowly raise your upper body and the legs, keeping your legs straight. Now your body is balanced on abdomen and pelvic region. Hold this posture for 20 or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Release the posture and relax. To do Bhujangasana, bring your palms next to the chest, elbows pointing up. Keep your feet hip width distance and point your toes back. Now push your palms down and raise your trunk. Extend your arms. Hold this posture 20 or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Now slowly release the pose and relax. For Dhanurasana, grab your right ankle with right arm and the left ankle with the left arm. Now pull the legs back and simultaneously raise your trunk. Your body is balanced on abdomen and pelvic. Hold this posture for 20 to 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Release the posture and relax.
The supine postures are Pavana Muktasana, Halasana, and end this session with Shavasana. Now let's do Pavana Muktasana. Lie down in supine position. Now bend your right leg and bring thighs close to the chest. Hold your right leg by interlocking your fingers just below the right knee. Pull your leg and simultaneously bring your chin close to the right knee. Stay in this pose for 20 or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Now slowly release the posture and relax. Now let's do same thing on other side and hold the posture for equal length of time. Now release the posture and relax. For Halasana, lie down in supine posture and lift your legs up. Take your feet behind the head. Place your feet on the ground. Point your toes back. Now interlock your fingers and extend the arms. Hold Halasana for 20 or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable. Now support your back. Lift the legs off the ground. Slowly come back to supine position. Relax. Ending a yoga session with 5 to 10 minutes of Shavasana helps the body and mind relax deeply, bringing calmness and reducing stress, leading to a sense of overall well-being. You can also include yogic kriya like Kapalbhati and meditation like Om chanting for better results. You can check the link in the description. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you have any queries, please leave them in the comments. We'll be happy to answer. Namaste.